World's third largest diamond unearthed in Botswana. Botswana Diamond Company found the world's third largest diamond in the Chwanging mine in Botswana, South Africa. The stone weighs 1098 carats and measuring 73 mm long, 52 mm wide and 27 mm thick and yet to be named. In 2020, the Botswana company witnessed a 29% fall in production to 16.6 million carats and a 30% drop in sales to $2.1 billion due to the pandemic. The Botswana Diamond Company is a joint venture between the global diamond giants De Beers and the government. 80% of the income comes from the sales of diamond by Botswana goes to government through royalties, dividends and taxes. Botswana is Africa's largest producer of diamonds. Stygeractus carolinensis, newly discovered tardigrade named species after Kerala. Stygeractus carolinensis, the newly species, is the first taxonomically discovered marine tardigrade from the Indian water, which makes the latest discovery a significant. Researchers have discovered a new tardigrade species of the genus Stygeractus, which is named after Kerala, where it was found. Tardigrades are so small that high-end microscopes are required to study them, commonly called moss piglets and water bears. They also rank among the hardest animals on Earth despite their minuscule size. The discovery is the result of an ongoing Ministry of Earth Sciences National Centre for Earth Science Studies based on the ecology and diversity of the submarine underground habitats of Kerala. Tardigrades are very tough animals and found everywhere on Earth, from mountain tops to the deep sea. They have also survived 5 mass extinctions. They are related to spiders, insects and crustaceans and are lesser known taxa of invertebrates. Sprint legend Milkha Singh dies after lengthy battle with COVID-19. A couple of days after returning negative and shifted out of COVID ICU, 4-time Asian Games gold medalist Milkha Singh passed away due to post-COVID complications at PGI Hospital, Chandigarh on Friday. He was 91 years old. Popularly referred to as the Flying Sikh, Milkha Singh made his name in the track and field, winning 4 gold medals at the Asian Games. He also won a gold at the 1958 Commonwealth Games in Cardiff. He narrowly missed out an Olympic medal, finishing 4th in the 400 meters of the 1960 Rome Games. He is still the only Indian athlete to win gold in the Asian and the Commonwealth Games. He was awarded the Padma Shri, India's 4th highest civilian honor, in the recognition of his sporting achievement. He is an inspiration to all the Indians. He will be missed. Naomi Osaka pulls out of Wimbledon 2021 after Rafael Nadal and will focus to play in Tokyo Olympics. Earlier, Osaka had pulled out of French Open 2021 after her first round win. Osaka is the second big-ticket player to pull out of the championships after Rafael Nadal. Rafael Nadal took to Twitter to announce that he won't participate in the upcoming Wimbledon and will focus on the Tokyo Olympics. Tokyo 2020 Summer Olympics will begin on Friday, 23rd July 2021 and will end on Sunday, 8 August 2021.